Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to edit subtitles in your videos for free using CapCut in 2025. Step 1. Open CapCut Online Editor or the desktop app and upload your video. Step 2. Click on the Text tab and choose Auto Captions. CapCut will use AI to generate subtitles for your video automatically. Step 3. Once the captions are ready, edit the text. Go through each line and fix any spelling mistakes or incorrect words. You can type directly inside the subtitle boxes on the timeline. Step 4. Adjust the timing. If a subtitle shows up too early or too late, simply drag it on the timeline so it matches the audio perfectly. Step 5. Customize the look. CapCut lets you change the font, color, size, and position of your subtitles. You can even add effects and backgrounds to make them stand out. Finally, preview your video, and once you are happy, click Export to save your video with the new subtitles. And that is it. In just a few steps, you can generate, edit, and style subtitles completely free in CapCut. If this tutorial helped you, remember to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below about what kind of CapCut features you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.